Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening power options because that's where standby is controlled. Once there, select the active power plan and click Change Plan Settings. This takes you to the timeout values. You need to open Change Advanced Power Settings so you can see detailed sleep and hybrid options. Make sure to keep this window open. You'll be changing values directly. If UAC prompts appear, approve them so settings can be altered. This step unlocks the detailed controls you'll modify next. Now you adjust the sleep settings. Expand the sleep node and set sleep after to never or a large minute value so Windows stops entering standby. Once done, disable allow hybrid sleep if it's causing confusion, and set hibernate after to never when you don't want the machine's saving state. Make sure to configure both plugged in and on battery entries independently. Laptops treat them differently. Once values look right, don't click OK yet. Review the next group of settings to avoid surprises. Finish by clicking Apply and OK to commit changes, then close Control Panel. You should test the behavior by leaving the PC idle for a short period to confirm it no longer enters standby. If it still sleeps, check device wake sources in Device Manager and update display or chipset drivers. Sometimes peripherals or drivers force standby. Also verify group policy or OEM power utilities aren't overriding your plan. If problems continue, reboot to ensure settings take effect and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.